Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. Now there may be some instances where you need to remove the center speaker grill cover on your F13. Well, perhaps you're installing some Alpha 1 speakers by BimmerTech. Regardless, the only tool you're going to need is a pry tool, and you can find that on our website, link in the description.
Insert the pry tool under the corner of the grill.
Start popping the pins up like so. Use a combination of your hand and the pry tool. Don't pull it up with just your hand though, because you don't want to bend it or crack it. And then there you go.
Reinstalling the grill is simple. Line up the tabs with the holes in the dash and press down.
So that's how you take the center speaker grill cover off your F13. For more tips and tricks and to see how BimmerTech can help you with your ride, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.